So while we've been working together today, the one thing that I cannot not see are your feet and how your feet have been operating. And they do operate a little differently than one another, which is obviously something that can start causing issues up the line. And the reason we want that feedback up the line is that we're going to try to take some pressure off your feet by asking these bigger muscles to do that job. So this is retraining the foot as you move.
That's amazing. Without doing anything.
Without doing anything. Good. And coming up. Great. And the magic circle, which I feel like is lovely, is a bit big for this type of work. So he is the size mostly of between your sitting bones, right? That's pretty much his width. Great. And release. Yeah, it's a lot of work.